Hey everyone! If you've ever written multiple if-else statements and thought, there has to be a better way, then today's video is for you. We're going to explore switch statements in Java, a cleaner, faster, and more readable way to handle multiple conditions. Mastering switch statements is essential for writing efficient code, especially when your program needs to make decisions based on multiple possible values. If you skip this concept, your code will stay messy and repetitive. Let's fix that now. Section 1, Understanding the problem. To understand switch statements, let's start with a simple example. Suppose you have an integer variable n that can take values from 1 to 7, representing the days of the week. If n equals 1, we want to print Monday. If n equals 2, print Tuesday. All the way to n equals 7, which is Sunday. The straightforward approach is to use if-else statements. If n equals 1, system.out.println Monday, else if n equals 2, system.out.println Tuesday, / and so on. This works, but notice what's happening. You check each condition one by one. For 7 days, that's a lot of repetitive code. And if the list grows, your code becomes harder to read and maintain. Clearly, there's a better way, and that's where the switch statement comes in. Section 2, Introducing switch statement. A switch statement allows you to match a variable against multiple possible values and execute the code for the one that matches. Here's the basic structure. Switch, n, case 1, system.out.println Monday, break, case 2, system.out.println Tuesday, break, case 3, system.out.println Wednesday, break, // continue for 4, 5, 6 case 7, system.out.println Sunday, break, default, system.out.println enter a valid number. Let's break it down. Switch n tells Java, check the value of n. Each case is a possible value. Break is crucial, it stops the program from executing the next cases once a match is found. Default acts as a safety net if none of the cases match. Section 3, How switch works step by step. Suppose n equals 7. Java goes through the switch block. It checks each case in order, 1, 2, 3, 7. When it finds a match with 7, it executes. System.out.println Sunday, the break statement ensures it exits the switch block immediately. Without break, Java continues executing all the remaining cases, even the ones that don't match. That's why forgetting break can cause multiple outputs unexpectedly. Section 4, Using default case. What if n equals 8? None of the cases match. The default case executes, printing system.out.println enter a valid number. This is similar to the else and if-else statements. It ensures your program handles unexpected input gracefully. Section 5, Benefits over if-else. Switch statements have several advantages. Cleaner code, you don't need multiple else if blocks. Better readability, each case is easy to see at a glance. Easier maintenance, adding or removing cases is simple. Efficient execution, Java can optimize switch statements better than long if-else chains. So for multiple choice decisions, switch is usually the better choice. Section 6, Quick tips. Always use break after each case unless you intentionally want fall-through behavior. The default case is optional but highly recommended. Modern Java versions allow simpler switch syntax without break, but most companies still use the classic version, so it's good to master this first. Section 7, Practice example. Try this. Ask the user to input a number from 1 to 7 using scanner. Use a switch statement to print the corresponding day. Test with numbers outside the range to see the default in action. This will help solidify your understanding and give you confidence in real coding scenarios. And that's it. To summarize, switch statements allow you to handle multiple conditions cleanly. Each case corresponds to a possible value. Break prevents unintentional execution of subsequent cases. Default handles unexpected input. Mastering switch statements will make your code cleaner, more readable, and easier to maintain, skills every Java developer needs. So try writing a few switch programs today, experiment with different values, and notice how much simpler your code becomes compared to if-else chains.